Story. So, does your story matters for you to become a successful? Yes. Everything in the market is a story. When the market rises, there is a story of market booming, economy booming, sector booming. Certain sector will get advantage by the booming, and then the price rises. And then we try to catch those moves with the help of the analysis of technical or fundamental. Similarly, if you want to become a successful trader, you require to have a story. So, story can be why you want to trade in futures, why you want to trade in commodity, your timing for the market, why you want to earn money. Is it only the money the driving factor, or is something else? If the money is a driving factor, you can earn money. But if something else is the money driving factors, you can earn much more money. Some of you have come here to live a comfortable life. Some have a story. I want to feed my family. I want to educate my daughter. I want to have a world tour. I want to change the society. The story can be anything. So it's all about your story. What is the pain factor? What is the gain factor? What you have? And so I request you to sit back, analyze yourself, and write your story. What made you to come in the market? What is your driving factor? So let me share with you my story. So I came in the market in 2004. So till 2004 to 2008, the market was bullish. Anybody would have told me something, and I have made some money. I have consistently I was making money continuously. The market was bull market. Now then suddenly the market crashed like anything, and I was having no rules. Then afterwards I used to, whatever I used to follow, I used to make sometime 50 rupees, sometime I used to lose 200 rupees, again make 50 rupees. Whatever I have gained, I have lost. And that story continued for 1 year. I was totally under the depression syndrome. I bought all the books of technical analysis, started to analyze the things, started to think what should go right, what should go wrong. And then I realized the few points, few analysis of my characteristics, what I am good at, what I should do, what I should not do. And then I started to analyze the things. And once those analysis came into mind, few points I have noted down, and the end result of that was I started making consistent income. So whether your story is the end part is a consistent profitable income, or you are too much greedy for one particular thing, or you are too much fearful to take the position. So you need to write down, and then you need to understand the technicality, you need to understand the fundamental analysis, then you need to do the trades as per they are happening, or as per we have been asking you to do. You follow one or two methods, and then you will be profitable. If the story is there, what much amount you can lose, what is the risk you can take, if the economy collapses, are you in the position to bounce back? So each and everything you need to write down. You need to do proper paper trading and everything. So when I started trading technical analysis, some see technical analysis chart, line chart, candlestick pattern as simple as drawings, but they are the emotions. And once you start to trade with them, that is, you start to trade with the emotions under control using the tools, you will start mastering the things. So it's now your turn to write your story, what you faced, what you have achieved in your life. And in the next video, then we will see on your self-assessment, how you should go about the self-assessment part, so that you can better understand yourself.